Alright guys, we're pulling up on this house for 2 standard interiors on 2 Teslas. Yay! Yeah! Here's a neighborhood.
This is a returning client. I think it's up more, yeah. You see.
Oh, I see. Oh, yeah.
We will be door knocking after this.
Surely they want details.
Like, this is the jackpot neighborhood, guys. The view, guys, of this neighborhood. It's like on a perfect hill. We had to go up there and was like, you're the one who made a difference that got us this $30,000 anytime truck. Alright guys, let's see the damage. We gotta go up and knock on the door.
What's up guys? We got new hose reels. Check this out. So all we gotta do is pull this out.
Got you. Connect these pulley thingy.
And then we come around to the side. Bang. We got our extension cord. Hop up here.
Yep.
1 second. I don't know how this got under here.
Boy.
Take this. Lose our balance. Plug it in.
Turn the bad boy on.
Make sure it's down there, you know, so it doesn't hit the paint. Notes down here, not up here. Paint tire.
Muy bien.
And then it gets really loud and annoying. Ready, hike. Oh, we gotta plug it in.
We're gonna show you the before. There we go. Yep. It's gonna get loud. There is a lot of damage in here, guys.
Here's the befores. Light crumbs. Yeah, get in there.
Most of the stuff is wiped down. We did the blowout part of the vehicles. We basically just have to vacuum and get all the glasses and touch up anything we miss. And
Yeah.
maybe another nap, maybe 1 more hour, and that's it.
Oh, these Tesla carpets don't work with a vacuum. So you literally have to use the air gun to blow it all out. Other than that, it's pretty Gucci. Okay.
All right, we just finished.
This garbage is bad. I don't know if you're bad.
I was on that for 30 minutes.
Okay.
It's good from the naked eye.
Turn the...
Behind the scenes of peace.
Peace, guys!
So it's just really black, as you can tell. It's about 11:06. We started at 8, or a little bit after 8:30. The carpets for a Tesla are a little bit difficult to do, but we did pretty well. Jacob, I'm doing an edit for the edit.
What's up? We gotta make a thumbnail. Wait, that was it?
Yeah.
Oh, the window's down. Alright. Oh, God, Jesus. Sponsored by
Jesus.
Jesus Christ.
Amen. We needed him today.
We're gonna put him.
Amen. Belly gold. They're over here. The credit cards.
Oh yeah. Okay guys, we just wrapped up 2 Teslas. Standard interiors. They're not perfect, but it took us 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours. For 120 buckaroos.
Worth it? I don't know. Maybe she tips. We'll see. We'll see. We're probably yeah.
Oh, let's put these away in that little ding dong ditch.